So I've been uploading a video every single day on YouTube ever since January 1st, 2025. But I don't want this video to be about the grind. I'm a pretty low energy person, and I've sort of come to terms with this as more time goes on. I've just found new ways to make showing up feel less like a chore and more like just part of my day. And this works for everything, whether if you're trying to read more or you're trying to get into the gym. Leave it out. So I noticed that if I have to get my camera out of my bag or set up my lights of any sorts, I just won't do it. So I don't. My camera literally just lives on my desk now. I'm using it right now, and the light is set up right behind me, and sometimes I don't even use a light. Basically, it's about being kind to your future self by making the thing that you want to do the most the easiest to do in the room. Reduce as much friction as possible, Let it be okay. I think the biggest thing that helped me was allowing myself to be average. Let me explain. I'm a perfectionist, and I taught myself over time that not every video has to be perfect or a banger or a masterpiece. Some days I'm tired and I just want to talk for a few minutes. Some days I have a little bit more extra time that I'm able to put out a more polished video. If I only showed up when I was at 100%, I'd never be consistent. So a messy check mark on the calendar still works and is more than good enough sometimes. Just show up. To be honest, I don't always know what I'm going to say when I sit down and do these sorts of videos, and I do that on purpose to help me grow, take me out of my comfort zone, if you will. But I've also just made it a habit to just sit here. Even if I don't feel inspired, I'll take some water with me, sit down, and usually once the camera is right in front of me, you're right in front of me, the words just starts to come out, starts to flow, and my brain starts working. It's about showing up for the process rather than having a perfect plan to execute. At the end of the day, being consistent isn't about being a robot or having it all figured out. It's about building a life to make it a little bit easier for you to become the person that you want to be. So if there's something that you've been waiting to start, maybe just try to make it a little bit easier for yourself with the things that I've mentioned in this video. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.